Welcome reloaders. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Brass Juice rifle case lubricant from the reloading station. In the past I've used waxes, I've used Hornady one-shot spray, I've used pads with lubricant on them to roll them. They've all worked, but they are messy ways to do it. They get stuff all over the place. Particularly the Hornady one-shot case lube seems to get real sticky and grimy, so I'm going to be giving this a try. Today we're going to be doing some Starline Brass 450 Bushmaster for some rounds I'm going to be loading up. In this bag I have 20 pieces of brass. So we're going to open the bag up. We're going to give the case lube a good shake. And now we are going to squirt, let's do 4 pumps of it into this bag. Interesting side note is it smells like spearmint gum. So now I'm going to close the bag up, and I'm just going to roll the cases around inside the bag and make sure I get them coated really well. So now that I have them coated, I'll open this bag up and I'm going to place them in my reloading tray to dry. So now I've given the cases a couple minutes to dry. When I pick them up, they are dry to the touch. Something else I noticed that I really liked about this is it doesn't give the sticky, oily residue that a lot of other case lubes do. So next we're going to size these for reloading and see how this compares to other case lubes I've used in the past. So there we have it, 20 pieces of brass resized for the initial review. It was factory new brass, so it does resize a little easier to begin with, but still I think overall it was much easier and smoother. I also like the fact that my hands aren't sticky from other lubes that I've used. I will leave a link down below in the description of where you can get some of this Brass Juice rifle case lubricant. If you have any questions or comments, also make sure you leave those down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer them for you. If you've liked this video, click the subscribe button in the upper left hand corner, and once you do that, click the bell to get notifications for when I post new videos and content.